All right, guys, we'll finish this one up here. We're almost done. Sorry I couldn't get that all in that first video. I do have a time limit for these for this version. I may change that in the future. We'll see how things go. So where we left off here was this. We have this proportion set up again where we took the ratio of the sides that we got, this 5:4, and then create a proportion with the sides going from the blue to the red. So now we just need to cross multiply and solve. So 5x equals 60. So you solve x is 12. All right. Same thing over here. So you get 5y equals 40 and y equals 8. Okay, and so that's how we do that. So it's a little different than the previous problems in the sense that you're going to go backwards. Right, we're gonna kind of go backwards here, and starting with the areas, this part over here, and then figure out the ratio of the sides, and then use those ratios to figure out the lengths of the two sides. Okay, so a little more complex. I'm gonna give you a few problems of that type for you to try out in the book. Not too many. I'm going to give you the assignment here in a minute in the video, but I'll also post all this. I'll include the page from the book for you. I would like you guys to turn them in. Okay, on Google Classroom, you can kind of turn it in. So you could write it, you could type out the answers, that kind of stuff. I just want to see, if possible, take a picture of your work. I just want to see that you're working on this and completing it. I know in terms of a grade and such, we're not doing any grades right now on this, but I'm just going to keep track of who's doing what, because in the future we may change things up, and I just want you guys to kind of get used to the system here. I know some of you are familiar with how to use the Google Classroom, but I thought we could all kind of learn that together here. The other thing is, on the Google Classroom, I did ask you to vote beard or no beard. The picture there, I've been kind of keeping track. Not everybody has done it. It's probably the easiest question. It is pretty close. It is so far I've been on the side of beard. I just want to give you an update of what it looks like so far. There we go. So the beard's a little bit longer, very gray, and it's so gray that I think I might get rid of it. But we'll see how that goes. To be honest, my wife hates it. She's hoping you guys all vote no beard. So these are the problems I'm going to assign you. Page 743 to 11, 13 to 14. Try those out. And again, I'll post this on things so you don't have to necessarily write it down right now. If you're having any trouble, have any questions, contact me. We got to work together through this time. So that's all we're going to try to do. So I wish you well, and I hope everybody's safe. And I'll probably post another one, something else, some other work. I don't know if it'll be another video the next time. I may have some other problems or some other work for you the next time. Just another assignment to kind of work through some of the stuff that we've talked about in the last couple of days. And then I do have some other units that we'll talk about. All right. Okay. Take care, guys. Everybody be safe.